The D5 is Nikon's latest professional-grade camera. It's designed for the ultimate in speed and accuracy, which is essential in a camera intended for busy professional photographers. The D5 boasts an impressive 153-point autofocus system, 99 of which are cross-type. The autofocus points are linked to a 180,000 pixel metering sensor, which provides class-leading subject tracking. With the D5, you can shoot at 12 frames per second, so you can follow and capture the action easily. The speed increases to 14 frames per second with the mirror locked up. The other features we love about the D5 include its 20 megapixel full-frame sensor, the touchscreen, and the addition of an automated autofocus fine-tune system for calibrating lenses. The D5 can shoot 4K video, but it has a 1.5 times crop factor. It doesn't offer focus peaking to aid manual focus. The combination of unprecedented autofocus coverage and tracking, class-leading low-light performance, and new features make the D5 an industry-leading DSLR, especially for those professionals shooting fast-action sports. For more information about the Nikon D5 and all things photographic, head to dpreview.com.
Capturing the light and the darkness. A camera designed to realize creative dreams and bring a world of color and vibrancy to life. Creating visions for the future. We believe that a high-performance lens is essential to the pursuit of unprecedented image quality for filmmakers and photographers. To enjoy a greater freedom for lens design, we have developed the 54mm large diameter mount inherited from the EF mount. From large aperture lenses that provide sharp images to f2 zoom lenses that offer beautiful bokeh, we've realized lenses that could not be achieved with previous lens mounts. To make these lenses possible, we've created a new camera system that enables maximum optical performance, the EOS R system. At the core of this breakthrough in optical design is the large 54mm diameter mount, augmented by a short back focus through the use of mirrorless technology. Yet high image quality is only one of our goals. Ease of use takes precedence over design, and we are constantly seeking to enhance usability. Users will be able to keep their eye on the viewfinder and their focus on their subject, thanks to intuitive dial placement and new features, including a control ring made possible by the introduction of the new RF mount communication system. While the EOS R system is compatible with our extensive EF and EFS lens lineup via a choice of adapters, it's an innovative optical system that sets a new standard and opens up exciting possibilities to those seeking to capture their creative visions.
Here's what you need to know to get started with the Sony a7R II. In the box, you'll find the camera, 2 batteries, a charger, neck strap, viewfinder eye cup, documentation, and AC adapter. There's also a handy cable safe, which keeps USB and HDMI cables securely in place when connecting to another device. We'll walk you through the setup and recommend some accessories that will help you get the most out of this camera. Once you've done the basics to get your camera ready to go, let's dive in. Attach the eye cup to the camera. Attach your lens to the camera. The Sony 24-70mm f4 lens is a great general purpose zoom. Alternatively, Sony's 24-70mm f2.8 GM lens is faster and sharper, but its size, weight, and cost make it a more specialized lens. We recommend investing in at least 1 extra battery, but 2 or 3 is a good idea. The a7R II shoots great high-resolution images in both RAW and JPEG formats. If you don't plan on post-processing your images, JPEG is fine. However, we recommend shooting RAW or RAW plus JPEG files to get the most flexibility out of the camera's images. The camera also shoots professional quality video. If you're a video shooter, we recommend using 4K video for the best results. You can also set the camera to record at up to 120 frames per second in full HD for slow motion effects. Bear in mind that you'll need to have a UHS-1 SDXC card for shooting video to keep up with the high bit rates. The A7R's autofocus system is impressively versatile, but for the most precise control, we recommend flexible spot M mode. If you shoot a lot of portraits, we suggest setting the C4 custom button to IAF. Pressing and holding this button will initiate focus on the nearest detected human eye. And if you shoot a lot of video, we recommend remapping the movie capture button to the C1 custom button for easier access. For more information about the Sony a7R II, including a deep dive into all its key features, visit us online at dpreview.com.